Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is and I'm VP for CRM Solutions with BISP. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how can we integrate Salesforce for sending SMS to contacts or leads of an organization. So as you know that we already have got contacts and lead object available. These are standard objects, and we can insert contacts, we can insert leads or generate leads from various sources. Now the next step would be I would like to drop a message to all of them for upcoming events. So through this video, I will be going to show you how can we do same. So for this, we'll be going to use a third party app, and for that we need to switch to app exchange. So first of all, I switch to my Salesforce Classic. This is a lightning view, so I switch to Salesforce Classic. Then I switch to app exchange. From the app menu, I select app exchange. In app exchange, we need to download an application named as 360 degree app, 360 degree SMS. So you can see we have 360 SMS app. It's a free application, but there is a trial version available for it for 7 days. You don't have to pay any money for trial version for 7 days. After 7 days, your subscription will expire and you won't be able to use the features. And if you want to continue the features, if you want to use the features later on, so we need to get a subscription for same. So I click on 360 SMS app for Salesforce. As it has mentioned, it's free, but definitely it's only for 7 days. So pricing is there. You can see there are 100 SMS credit available for trial on request via app exchange. So you can send 100 SMS in a day and click on get it now. And this app is lightning ready app, so we can include this on our lightning app as well. So I click on login to app exchange because I have got my Salesforce developers account, so I can use the same credentials to log in into this app, to download and to install this app. So this process may take some time, and once the application is installed, configured, we need to make some additional configuration for same, and then we would be able to send SMS. So I click on install in production. So from here you can choose where you want to install in sandbox or into production. So because I am the administrator, I have got administrative privileges and I am the only person using this application, user in this organization. So I am directly uploading it or installing it into the production environment. Check this, confirm and install. It's asked for to log in again, so I just provide my username and log in again, provide my details. Scroll down. I want to install it for all users so that if all the users in my organization, they would be able to use this app. Click on install. Yes, continue. So this app may take some time or long time to install, and once it is configured, we'll receive an email after installation is completed. I click on done and the installation process has been completed and the package has been installed successfully. So we'll just refresh it. So you can see in my install package list, I can see a new app has been installed successfully. That's the install date. App is 1 tabs 8, and there are 9 objects associated with this install package. Now let's begin the configuration for this our subscription. So I click on app menu, and here I can see 360 SMS. So I click on 360 SMS. When you click on 360 SMS, you can see couple of options like SMS history, SMS template. So this SMS template, you can define a new SMS template. So while sending an SMS, you can configure a template, you can select a template. We have SMS setup for configuration, SMS from reports, and SMS app help. So if you need any help, you can click on SMS app help. So I click on SMS setup for configuration. So the next step we have to do is we have to set up a number. So that number would be generated automatically. So this 360 SMS will assign one temporary number, or it would be assigned one number for us for sending SMS. So I click on outgoing setup. Simply click on it, and it will automatically configure one number. So you can see a record has been synced with from provider, and that's the number assigned to us for sending SMS for outgoing. 18182104149, and the country is US, and the status is trial. Same, I click on incoming setup, allow, give permission, so that if any SMS you receive, that would be directly received on 360 SMS. We can read it through this. So both outgoing and incoming we have configured. So I got the confirmation message. Then I click on user confirmation. So basically this number is an allotted virtual SMS number. I click on user confirmation. In user confirmation, assign virtual SMS to numbers to user. So I'm assigning these numbers to a user. So this is the default number. So if I click on new, and I'm assigning this number to myself. So I can use this number for sending messages. So I'm a system administrator. So I choose the profile as a system administrator, user, and I use the same number. And I would like that all incoming messages will be forwarded to this particular number. So I just write +91 and I provide my number. Auto forward to email. So all the SMS will be automatically forwarded to this email. And email alert to owner and default SMS owner, and click on save. So it will be assigned to me. Record updated successfully, and you can see this record has been updated for myself. Then I click on object setup, and you can see by default this 360 SMS is configured only for two objects, contacts and leads. If you want to configure for other objects, we can select it from here. It means only for contacts and leads they can access this 360 SMS for sending SMS. So let's go and test how can we send SMS from contact or leads. So I click on contacts, and we need to make some changes in the layout. So I click on setup, customize, contacts, page layouts, edit this contact layout, and I'm going to click on buttons, and we got a button here named as send SMS. So we are getting two buttons, TDC underscore TSW underscore send underscore SMS, or we have another one that is TDC underscore TSW underscore send underscore SMS SF1. So I'm going to use the first one. So I drag and drop this button within the custom button section. And also I click on related list. So we have SMS history, scheduled SMS. So I'd simply drag and drop these two history above activity history and schedule SMS. So we can also schedule an SMS. So I'll tell you how can we schedule an SMS in next step. But first of all, in SMS history, we can figure it out that how many SMS has been sent to a particular contact. Click on save, and let's test it. So I'm going to create a new account, sorry, new contact, click on new contact and add a number. So let's suppose I'm going to test it for myself. So I just provide my details, phone number 1 and mobile number. I just provide my details, click on save, and as soon as I click on save, I can get a button over here, send SMS, and if I scroll down I can see SMS history and schedule SMS. So when I click on new schedule SMS, I'm not able to schedule a SMS right now, so I'll tell you this later in next step. But first of all, let's have a look how can we send SMS. So when I click on send SMS, it open additional screen and it asks us to create a message. So to which field we would like to drop a message? We would like to send SMS on the business phone or mobile phone, assistant phone, home phone, or other phone. I want to drop an SMS on mobile phone. That's the name, that's the phone number. We can update the number here. Any template which we have defined, we can update that. We can select the template and the message. So right here, test message from Salesforce, and click on send. It may take some time because first it will send the message to the server, to the 360 SMS server, and then from 360 SMS server it will forward that message to the to that particular contact on the phone number. If I scroll down, we can see SMS history. By going to SMS history, we can check that how many messages has been sent to this number or received from this number. So this SMS type is outgoing. If any SMS received from this number, that would be an incoming SMS. So that will be marked as incoming. Also, we can go to SMS history, and from SMS history we can see all the SMS type outgoing, and this messages has been forwarded to this particular number. We can define SMS template. So this SMS template can be select while we are sending any SMS outgoing messages on a number. Now the next requirement is my next requirement is that I would like to schedule SMS. So for scheduling SMS, when I click on new schedule SMS, I got a message that which we need to click on the detail page of any record, click on send SMS button, and we can click on schedule checkbox. So this SMS will be scheduled, but it is not configured right now. So how to configure it? I click on SMS setup, object setup, and in object setup within contact you can see we have an option enable scheduler, which is not enabled right now. So I click on edit and I enable scheduler both for contact and leads one by one. So first I enable it for contact. Updation is successful, and same we can update for lead as well. So I click on edit and I enable it for lead, and also the fields can be added. So as you can see, we can add the fields. So right now we can so the updation has been successful. So now we have configured scheduler for both for contact as well as leads. Now let's switch to contact. I click on schedule SMS. So for scheduling SMS, click on send SMS. And when we click on send SMS, we type a message, test message, and we have an option for schedule. So we can schedule it for daily, monthly, or once. So what would be the start date? We can select the date. So for example, I want to schedule it daily. So this would be scheduled daily, start date and end date. So I want to schedule it on daily basis from 30th, and I want for next 7 days, for next 6 or 7 days, they will receive the SMS on the registered number. So that's how we can schedule it. Scheduling can be done. So I have cancelled the scheduling. Otherwise, I would receive SMS on daily basis. I don't want it on my phone. So that's how we can integrate Salesforce for sending SMS for both for contact as well as for leads. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bispsolutions.com. You can visit our website for more consulting services on Salesforce. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.